In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn off and on logged out visibility on the privacy and security settings on your accounts on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and then click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings. Here you will find privacy and security. So as you see here, you find the logged out visibility, so click on it like this. That's it, it will be turned on. And if you want to turn it off, just click on it again like this. So that's it, that's how to turn off and on logged out visibility, easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.